everyone, today's Tilesporcelain Limited up in the northeast. Just wanted to give you a bit of an insight into this particular tile that we do. Our Volga white marble effect, 1200-600. Classed as a white background, but you've got the hints of grey, dark grey, charcoaly grey, medium grey. Absolutely unique to us, so different in style. It comes in a 1200-600 size tile, suitable for walls, suitable for floors. Use it on a wall because it's porcelain. Porcelain is the best product that you can get in a tile, which for the floor can withstand anything. Kitchens, bathrooms, anywhere you want to put it. Absolutely unique. And we've also got this product here, which is a new product to ourselves. And it's a multifunctional, a tile hole locator. So if you're wanting to cut and you're wanting to put some like holes in, or you're cutting round for your plug sockets, you just basically put this product on your tile and you've got your measuring device there, and you can just draw on the tile, score it where you want to cut it. It can cut holes, you can use it to cut holes, which you've got your section there for your holes, and then you've obviously got your measuring sections for where you want to cut round your plug sockets, etc. This is in stock with ourselves as well, tiles along with materials, adhesive, grout, anything you need, primer, sealer, anything surrounding your tiling project, one-stop shop. So get in touch guys, www.tilesporcelain.co.uk or 191 429 0279. Myself or Andrew, who are our friendly sales staff, are happy to help you in your onward journey with tiles, and hopefully you enjoy your tiling project once it's completed. Have a good day guys, the sun's shining in the northeast, so hope it is where you guys are. Ciao for now.